Well, hey, all welcome. Now, if you're into cooking indoors or outdoors, this heavy duty cast iron griddle that's enameled is a game changer. Now, this was sent to me at no charge so that I could check it out and share my opinion with you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to show you how I cook my favorite thing on this griddle, Italian sausage with onions and bell peppers. And I'm going to share a grilling trick with you that's probably going to surprise you. Enameled cast iron has a naturally slick surface that actually gets better with more use if you follow the cleaning instructions after each use. So before you fire it up the first time, take a minute and go through the manufacturer's first use and cleaning instructions that you'll find in the box. Now let's talk about weight for a second. This particular griddle comes in at a little over 22 pounds. Now that might sound kind of heavy, but ask any experienced cook and they'll tell you the thicker the cast iron, the better the heat retention, which means more even cooking, fewer hot spots, and ultimately better results. Now here's a trick that I use to take peppers and onions to the next level. In addition to olive oil to prevent the peppers and onions from sticking to the grill, I add a bit of sugar. I actually add a tablespoon of sugar to bring out their natural sweetness and help them caramelize. Now, for most people, 1 or 2 teaspoons does the job, but I like mine extra sweet, so I go all in. Now, once your griddle is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, start by placing the sausages on first. Let them cook for about 5 minutes, then add the peppers and onions. Keep an eye on the sausage, and once they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, you're good to go. So if you really want to impress your friends and family with perfect grilled sausage and peppers, I recommend using a cast iron griddle like this one. Thanks for watching.